being a WiDS ambassador because I'm passionate about breaking the barriers for girls and women to be bold, impactful leaders, leading innovation, driving transformation and impact for our world.
I want to connect and empower more women in the exciting world of data science.
I was shocked when I attended WiDS conference for the first time because I met many talented women there. There are not enough data scientists in Japan, and unfortunately, female data scientists are only 10% of them. It is a big issue for my country. That's why I became WiDS ambassador.
The combination of high-quality content, power networking, and growing opportunities creates a unique environment where everyone, especially women, can take the stage and have a voice.
So we would have a place as women technologists to come and unapologetically talk about data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning.
I want to create the awareness in the community that data science is an excellent career choice for all women at any stage of life.
And how they can grow their career in this area and motivate and inspire them to stay in the field.
And WiDS is the best vehicle to support the women in my community who will become the future leaders in the field of data science.
I started with Shikoku activity because I want many people to know the fun of data science and to make many friends.
I joined WiDS Network to inspire more African girls and women to pursue careers in data science.
Because I believe this is a field plenty of wonderful job opportunities and entrepreneurial projects that can help in reaching a better world, less polluted, more diversified and equitable.
I am passionate about building a healthy data science community where talented women can share knowledge and support one another.
Make sure that all the talented women are encouraged to be part of this transformation and build a community to support each other.